Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the unique and healthy recipes. In today's video I want to show you how to make industrial cleaning detergent. This one is super foaming soap that you can use to clean a new house, clean old house, and everywhere will be sparkling. Okay, so what I did is I soaked the ingredients down. Inside this blue bucket you are seeing me turning, I soaked my S.L.S in that bucket. In this medium size bucket, I soaked my STPP, and in this first bucket, I soaked my soda ash. In the description, I will give you the details of the ingredients and the measurements. So in these two bottles standing, I have my foam booster. Then I have my Nitrosol. That's Nitrosol. I have Caustic Soda. And then I have three colors, as you can see, because I was waiting for the customer to tell me the exact color that I should use. I eventually used lemon green. And there in that small bottle I have lemon fragrance. So I soaked down the ingredients, and you can see that they are all properly dissolved. Inside this black bowl is my sulphonic acid, 1.5 liters. I dissolved it in water. Now in this big bowl I added my Nitrosol into the big bowl. That quantity of Nitrosol is 500 grams. Mind you, I'm making 25 liters of industrial cleaning detergent. So start dissolving the Nitrosol. It's always very easy to dissolve. Just stir it very fast and make sure that everything is properly dissolved. Then I dissolved my caustic soda in this small container. Dissolve the caustic soda and pour it into the big bowl. As you pour it into the big bowl, you will notice that the Nitrosol becomes very thick. That is actually the function of one of the functions of the caustic soda. It thickens the soap. So pour it inside and stir, and it becomes thick immediately. Then the next thing is to pour in my dissolved sulphonic acid. Notice that I did not use Texapon in this formula. In this recipe, I excluded Texapon. Why? Texapon is a foaming agent. Sulphonic is also a foaming agent. So I got 1.5 liters of sulphonic and dissolved it in the water. That is what I just poured into the big bowl and start stirring it again. You start stirring it again until everything is properly mixed, as you can see. Then I begin to turn in my other ingredients. I turn in my soda ash. That is the soda ash solution, and stir. The soap is foamy. As you can see, it's super foamy. Then after mixing that, I will add my STPP. So that is STPP. Add your STPP and stir it again. Stir it very well. After making this soap, even the bowl I used to make the soap, can use the bowl alone to wash as many clothes as possible because it's super foamy. That's the last one, which is my S.L.S rice. So I pour in my S.L.S rice. I remain some quantity because I want to dissolve my colorant in it. I measure that the water I want to use, so I don't want to exceed the measurement, so that I can have the exact thickness that I predicted. So that's my foam booster again. I'm adding another foam booster to it, making this product very, very effective. Alright, this is industrial cleaning detergent. So you can see the foam. Just a little quantity can clean as much as a whole building. So the next thing is my fragrance. Lemon fragrance. I chose lemon fragrance with lemon color. Very nice combination. Okay, so I added the fragrance and stirred to mix up properly again. I will be dissolving the colorant to give it that lemon green color that is always very attractive and appeals to the eyes. Okay, so time to dissolve the colorant. The foam is much, so you can allow it some time for the foam to go down, because I don't want to share into two bowls. So I added my colorant already and stirred again. The foam actually came down after a while. Give it like 40 minutes and it came down. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Please don't forget to like this video and share to your friends. Make your comments below. God bless you. Bye.